Scope is enjoying some of her wet food. She's got lots of choices here. She's got the baby food and the Purina one. She's eating pretty equally from both of those. Let's show you the babies. I was looking earlier to try to see genders, and I'm pretty sure this is a boy. The dark Siamese one. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be Siamese. Focus. They're really good when you pick them up. I've other kittens I've had of screen. I've got the white one that I think is a boy. They might be Siamese. I'm not sure because look, its nose is kind of black, but not really. Can you focus? I'm gonna maybe try to invest in a better camera soon so it can have better sound as well. This little one I think is a boy, and it's the first to open its eyes. Sorry, it's a low battery. But look, its eyes are already opening. How is that possible? You coming over to me, Siamese? Excuse me, mamas. So I think this one's a girl. She's got like nothing. Oh, she's so cute. And then let's see, this one, the black. That could be either or, but it's probably a boy. Do we see this one? Some of the brown. It's probably a boy. And then okay, so the other one that I think is a girl is the microscope. Pretty sure that one's a girl. Hi. Hi, Stinky. It was stink with all the cat food on you. Yuck. Alright, so I think, which one's a girl? The tabby. I think this tabby is a girl. And this microscope. And I think the other four are boys. That's just my guess, though. Oh, you're responding well. Look at you. Look at you. With that one eye open almost. And the umbilical cords are falling off. Yeah. Oh, the baby. Hi. Hi. Tell me about it. Good mommy scope. Look at this fur is even different, like a Siamese. But it could be white too. It could just be white. But its fur is different. It's like more thick looking. This is like more smooth. Look at these little tails. That one's a short tail. That one's short too. This one's longer. The Siamese ones got longer. Yeah, they do. We got over here using as a pillow. Yeah. Oh, tell me about it. Micro. The babies. Oh! Micro, what are you doing? That's a micro. What you doing, Shelly? She's like, I want some bats to Melissa. Yeah, this umbilical cord fell off. That could be gross, but it's actually really cool. Oh, your kitten's purring. And this one is the fat one of the litter. But this one seems to be the most advanced one. Usually it's a fat one that's the most advanced. And then I saw that and I was like, flop it all over. So I don't get in the way of my kneading. Babies.